We are at our flip here in Shelbyville. We are getting super close to the finish line. And you know, one of the tough things when you're flipping property is when you get close to the finish line, the temptation is there not to do every little thing, to go ahead and go to the market without everything finished. So one of the things that we're doing right now is we're making a list of final touches that need to be done, and we're gonna make sure that this house is in absolutely perfect condition before we actually hit the market with it. But why don't we go take a look at what's going on inside. You can see here that we are just about done. We've got our new cool light fixtures in. If you step in here into the master bedroom, we have got this awesome accent wall that we've added. So when we started flipping this, the market was a little different when we began. And since then it has shifted, and it's more of a buyer's market than it was before. So what we've done is we've added a few touches to this house, like this accent wall over here in the master bedroom, that will make it stand out from the competition and just be a little, that wow factor that will help folks to really choose our house over other houses that are similar to it on the market. So we've got the accent wall over here in the master bath. We've added granite countertops when originally we were going to keep what was there. And then we've got also some new mirrors which will be raised so that they're at a height for like non-short people. Tall people can actually use those mirrors too when we get those fixed up. And then a couple other wow things that we've done. You can see in the living room and in the dining room, we've added shiplap accent walls. And also something that was a negative was having the HVAC return vent right here. So we did what we could to turn that into a positive, where we got a cast iron decorative, really cool HVAC vent cover, and we put that on there instead of just the standard run-of-the-mill one. And it really makes the wall stand out a little bit more and turns what was a negative into almost a positive right there, a cool piece of art that's on the wall. When we look here in the kitchen, you can see we've got new appliances in here. The granite countertops were here before, but we've got this nice glass tile backsplash, which really sets everything off. And we went with, like I said, the new fixtures that are a little more modern, and the gold for the accent of the handles on the cabinets and the sink faucet, and as the accent on the light fixtures, it gives it a little bit more of a modern look. You can see in here all the carpet is in place, everything's been painted. It's a nice sized bedroom here upstairs. The bathroom is still a little bit of a wreck right now. That's the one area that we're still working on to get that wrapped up. Having some plumbing issues that we're taking care of. Those will be fixed soon. But if you come over here and take a look at this, look at the size of this room up here, like a second living room that's up here in this giant space up here. It really is a great gathering area. Really is a cool feature of this house that if someone has a large group of people, family, friends, whatever, they have this area they can gather in. And like a lot of times when you have these upstairs areas in these Cape Cod style houses, the way this is set up, it's all chopped up funny, where you're walking through bedrooms to get to other rooms. So here we've got a bedroom on either end, and then this great big area here in the middle. So if you look at the final bedroom in here, just a big, nice size room in here. So the flip is almost done. It's coming together. Just to kind of review the couple things that I was talking about. Number one, don't put it on the market till you get everything done and it's in the best shape it can be in. And number two, when the market shifts, find some little extras that you can do, some little wow factors that'll make your house stand out from the competition, and they'll give you a better chance of getting it sold quickly and where you can put that profit in your pocket instead of having it sitting there waiting for someone to buy it. So I really appreciate you following us on the journey of this flip. It's been a fun process. Hope you've learned something. Hope you've enjoyed watching it all happen. And if you have any questions about flipping or about buying a house or selling a house, give us a call. We'll help you out.